Let's start off with a line, making sure that it's going horizontal. 58. Next, I'll use the copy command. Select the base point, 25 divided by 2, 32 divided by 2, 45 divided by 2, 87 divided by 2, 95 divided by 2, 100 divided by 2. I'll create a vertical line going from this midpoint to that point. Use the copy command again. Select this line. Pick a base point. I want to go this direction. 10 divided by 2. 45 divided by 2. And 58 divided by 2. Okay. So now that we have this created, I know that my shape, and if this is the center of it, it goes this direction, it comes up, and then it tapers in to this intersection. So I'll create a line from this endpoint to this intersection. Alright, so continuing with my shape, it goes up at this intersection, then it goes to that intersection and goes up. So let's create a line from this intersection to that one. The rest I'll do is clean this up, trim, and I'm going to start at this top vertical line, and I'm just going to trim it all the way back down. I'll start with this line and I'll trim it up. Next, I'll take care of my outside line here. And everything else should be able to be erased. Let's go ahead and take care of the line, except for the line on the inside of here. So with these remaining 4 lines, I'll select them and erase them. Next, I'll use the fillet command. Set my radius to 6. I have multiple. Then I'll put a radius or a fillet at that corner and one at this one. Let's use the mirror command. I'm going to use a blue window and highlight everything on this side of my middle line there. I'll go from that endpoint to that endpoint, and I'll trim. Let's erase this middle line. Join this together. Once again, I always check and make sure that I have one polyline. Revolve. Select this shape. And I'll go across these 2 endpoints until at 360 degrees. Take a look at this in an isometric view. And you will have that middle line remaining. So I'll go ahead and delete it. Take a look at it in the shades of gray. You can see that you do have a roller. Let's go ahead and save this one as your roller.